We are standing in front of the first Bauroc factory, which was built as greenfield investment in 2000-2001. This technologically advanced plant was a dream come true for a young man who decided to follow the footsteps of his father. Since then, the family-owned company has grown to become the biggest producer of autoclaved aerated concrete products in Northern Europe. Today, 3 generations of Paplavskis family form the Supervisory Board of Bauroc. Total yearly capacity at 2 Bauroc factories is 500,000 cubic meters. Around 6,000 homes can be built from this amount of material. Technology of producing autoclaved aerated concrete is 100 years of age, as it was invented in 1920s in Scandinavia. First Bauroc block was produced here in 2001. This year we celebrate the 20th anniversary, and I'm proud that many of the experienced employees have worked for the company since the very beginning. Autoclaved aerated concrete is made purely from natural raw materials, practically inexhaustible in nature: sand, lime, gypsum, cement and water. The manufacture of AAC requires significantly less raw materials and energy than any other masonry products. No raw materials are wasted in the production process, and all production offcuts are fed back into the production circuit. High resource efficiency gives low environmental impact in all phases of its life cycle, from processing of raw materials to the disposal of AAC waste.
Hello, I'm Chief Technologist of the company, and here's our laboratory where we are testing both incoming raw materials and declared values of finished products. All Bauroc products are the highest quality and equipped with a CE certificate.
Bauroc is an innovative company. From day one, we have developed our products to meet the customer needs and to comply with changing energy efficiency requirements. Bauroc product mix includes a wide range of block products, reinforced products like lintels and panels, but also mortar and tools for installing and rendering system for application on the walls. Bauroc is promoting the healthy lifestyle and sporting activities of the employees. These activities include, but are not limited with running, swimming, gym, team competition, group trainings, golf and others.